Hi everyone, this is Omar Murillo and I'm back here in Fremont at my new listing at 41140 Kathleen Street. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,420 square feet. This home was completely renovated. We're talking new kitchen, new floors, new bathroom. The list goes on, and it's got a spectacular lot. Come on in and let's check it out together. Thank you for taking this tour with me. I really appreciate it. As always, like, subscribe. Hopefully you can share this with a friend or colleague that needs to see this particular home. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. We'll see ya.